are done. Okay, so I'm in here trying to find these batteries. They're like a LR44 battery. If they have, oh, yes, they do. It's these right here. I'm trying to see if they got some lesser than this. Perfect. Okay, got it. Hi, how you doing? How you doing? Good. Thank you, you too. Okay guys, so also I like fashion and like style. So here's a new hat to the bunch of bucket hats that I really do love. Also this shirt is from Forever 21. It's a really cool basic turtleneck. These jeans, they're from Target. Oh, I love some Target jeans. They're just the best. Alright guys, so I got the batteries. As you can see, got my camera, Minolta X370. And I'm about to try and get this open. I got a penny because you gotta like turn it here. Okay, I'm gonna open this and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, so I've opened it. This is the batteries in there so far. Let's take those out and switch it with the new ones. Hopefully it works. Cause here's what the problem is. This right here, this part right here, is supposed to go farther out because it like resets like the film, so it's a little stuck, but these batteries in there. Yo, I'm about to cry because I thought I did work. Look, oh my gosh, yay! Ooh, I'm about to start taking as many pictures as I need to. Ooh, I can take it. Ooh, y'all, I'm just too excited because I was so sad. I was like, no, but it was just a battery problem. See, here's a message. Here's a message. Sometimes you just need to be recharged. Many of us, okay, let me stop. But no, seriously, this is a message. Sometimes we just need to be recharged. We need new batteries. We need rest so we can be ourselves, so we can get back to who we are. Oh, Minolta, thank you. I was waiting. Oh my gosh, yay. So I'm gonna take some over the weekend and, you know, probably put them in the end of this video or something. If not, then the next one. But, ooh, I'm so excited. It was working. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so happy that I got this camera fixed. Whew. It takes 35mm film, which is this one, which I'm about to throw away because it's been exposed too much. I cannot wait to get some photos on these. It's real like a nice grainy look, an old school look. So, I'm like breathing a breath of fresh air. But all right, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.